Hello, my name is Alexis, and today for my demonstration, I am going to be talking about how YouTube is a useful tool within the classroom. So first of all, you can go to this icon up here, and you can create a video. So let's say you wanted to touch base more on something that you just didn't have time to do in class. You can create a video and send out a link to all of your students for them to watch it. You can also have your students make presentations and they can create videos and upload them as well. And to do that, you just click on the icon, go to here, let me put this over a little more. You go to upload video and it'll take you to your files. And then you just drag and drop a video and then it will upload. And it's as easy as that. I've done it numerous times. I'm a singer, so I have some singing videos, and for my children's literature class, we had to read a bunch of books, and so I have some of those on here. It's just a really simple and easy process, and I think it is very beneficial in the classroom. So next, let's say you are teaching math, and you are talking about how to find the area of a rectangle. And you didn't have time in class to touch more on base to help this student because the bell rang, which is inefficient lesson planning. You can have them look up area. Oh, wait, no, hold on. You have to first, sorry, my bad. First, you actually have to you have to get out of this account. Why isn't it? Oh, there we go. Okay. Sorry about that. You go to YouTube and then you can have them look up area of a rectangle, and then there are just a ton of videos that will help them gain a better grip on the understanding of how to find the area of a rectangle. And so I really think YouTube is beneficial for that aspect as well, because what if a child goes home and their parents don't really understand something? Well, boom, they can just look it up on YouTube. So other things, these things aren't really important over here, but I can show you what it looks like. So if you go here, there's just like home, explore, subscriptions, library, and that's just kind of the same thing here. You can go to your history, videos that you've liked, your videos, and just there's like gaming and all this type of stuff. And then if you go over here, you can click the A, and then you have all these types of things, so you can like sign out, switch your account, all the important information, and then this is just like notifications, so if you gain a new subscriber or something like that. And then you can also go to your YouTube apps, which I think this one, YouTube for Kids, is really beneficial. Let's say you are teaching second grade. Second grade has Chromebooks, and they can look up educational videos on YouTube. So you can set up profiles for each of your students, and that's what I did. You have to sign up as a parent. So let's just go under Grace. I wish I could have taken you through the process, but I wasn't thinking that far ahead. But yeah, so this is all like just for kids. Everything else is blocked. You can set up the privacy for what they can and can't look at, which is very beneficial, I believe. And then if you do this, you can do, okay, 21, submit. So that just changed, or that just proved that you were the parent so that you can add another profile. So I think this is really cool, especially if you are letting your students have Chromebooks. They can just look up educational videos on YouTube. Oh, and another thing, let's say you are a Phi Ed teacher. So this is a really fun thing. If you have like a projector in the gym, you can look up Zumba for kids. Oops. And you can just do fun exercises with with other kids, which I have done previously in like the daycare facility that I used to work at, and they all loved it so much. So I just think YouTube is very beneficial for multiple reasons. Although it does have its cons, it has plenty of pros as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys use this and utilize it in your future classrooms. Thank you.